How to teach a 2-year-old child how to sound letters. Okay, real. What sound is this? What sound is this? That's um, again. Okay, so we can set this aside. It will sound it. So let's sound this. What sound is this? Okay. This sound is wo. Again. 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 Okay. This is ah. Again. 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 This is again. Again. Okay, so we're going to look at this together. Wo. Again. Again. Ah. Again. Again. Okay, let's begin. Wo. Ah. Wo. Ah. Okay, so let's go. West. Touch cool. Let's see. Touch it. Touch the song. Okay. Five. That's my girl. Okay, let's go. Touch. Ah. Ah. Okay. Touch. That's my girl. Touch. Ah. Okay. Touch. Whoa. Okay, that's lovely. Let's go. Now touch. Again. 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 Okay. Touch. Whoa. Okay. Touch. Ah. Okay. Let's get started again. Now touch. Again. Again. Again.